Hello guys, good morning. This is Mami Duclos TV. Right now, I am on duty in Karkar Clinic. Too early in the morning, yung mami nyo hindi pa naliligo. Dumating na ang pasyente. Pero look at me. I wash my hair today. Sa'yo kay na kanang duha ka mag-asawa. Wa pa, maupay nagduster pa ko yung ligo, naabot na. Oo, kay magpalimpyo sila. And this one also, nagpa-escort sa iyang bana, oy. Say hi to my vlog, sir. To, nagtingsi ang usa, oh. All over the world is watching right now. Oo. So, guys, back to work na ang mami nyo because I can breathe now but not totally healed yet. May kunti-kunti pa. Kunti na lang, Jude. Kunting-kunti na lang. So, I hope I can travel na. Maybe next month or the next month, so I can join the Fans Day of my adopted son Migs Molino in the coming Fans Day, and also with Limino. Limino is coming on April 26 in Manila for the fans meeting, but tomorrow he will be in Macau for the fans meeting. But sorry guys, sorry buddy, I cannot join with you in your Fans Day kasi ang mami mo hindi pa rin cleared na pwedeng magsakay ng eroplano because of my heart fraction. So, bati-bati na lang ako here in the video. Good luck for the fun meeting with the Macau people. So, this is your Mami Duclos TV. Good morning to everyone. Pero hindi pa ako nagtapos, ha? Kababati ko lang. Because I wanted to greet all my kids all over the world. And also, I want to greet happy birthday to my president, my best president of the Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte, who is right now in Netherlands celebrating his birthday. And we are supposed to celebrate here in the Philippines. Iniisip ko nga anong i-celebrate ko sa birthday niya eh. Kagabi nag-isip pa ako, ano kaya magpalitsyon ako ng baka for his birthday. Oo. Kaso lang, kagabi ko lang nakontak yung taga-lechon. So, walang time daw mag-lechon. So, I just, greet ko na lang yung aking best president, Rodrigo Duterte, Tatay Digong. Kailangan healthy ka and back to the Philippines. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. This is a greeting from Mami Duclos TV and your comrades in the politics, Luz Adaw. Your partner before. Pero ngayon, tutok na kasi ako manggamot. Wala na ako sa politics. So, batiin na lang kita ng happy birthday. Be strong because you are one of the pillar of the Philippines, that the Philippines is in good governance when you are the president of the Philippines. So, I'm wishing your birthday at more more blessing at saka more years. Fight lang, Tatay Digong. Lalabas ka rin at uuwi ng Pilipinas. Nandyan ang mga Pilipino dyan sa Netherlands, and we are praying for your safety and good health. So, Mami Duclos TV and Luz Adaw is greeting you happy birthday today. Mwah! That is for you. Oo. Kasi partner ko talaga siya noon. Oo, when I was the little president of Joseph Estrada, talaga kami magkasama-sama. So, sa lahat na tumakbo ng nag-reign na presidente, for me, he's the best. Oo. Kasi nga na-control niya yung drug addiction. Oo, ang dami mga criminalities na control niya. Pero nung nag-took over yung isa, pati ako na-scam. But anyway, tapos na scam na ako. Ngayon, Inday Sara, go. I'm with you. Talaga ikampanya ko. Ikakampanya kita. And good luck. Happy birthday to you, Tatay Digong. But I'm not Hindi ako nagtataydigong kasi ano kami, magkasama kami. Oo. Pero para sa akin, siya ang pinaka-the best na presidente. So guys, binabati ko lang yung aking dating presidente na nandyan sa nasa ICC, sa Netherlands. Oo, so, birthday niya ngayon, and I hope he is too healthy. Oo. Kalma lang. Pati mga Pilipino dyan, kalma lang kayo. Because that is his faith. But anyway, God is with us. O nakatingin ang Diyos. O alam niya kung sino ang tama at sino ang mali. So, we are waiting for you, Tatay Digong, to come back to the Davao City. O, go lang. Huwag kayong matakot. Nandyan ang Diyos nakatingin. So, this is Mami Duclos TV. Good morning to everyone, to all my kiddos entire world. So, my Limino community in Macau, thank you. Tomorrow, see you there, but I cannot come to join you guys. So only Limino is doing the Fans Day meeting. So bye-bye for now. Trabaho mo ng mami nyo. Back to work. So this is your mom. Bye-bye.